Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're keeping fine and safe in the pandemic situation and staying at home. You are eagerly waiting for job notifications to be out as to when the notifications will be out and you will be able to fill up the form of your dream job. So yes, I am here giving you the notification details of particular jobs in this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about Chief Medical Officer Bandar Recruitment for 2021. You can apply for 96 Asha Worker posts before 9th July. Chief Medical Officer Bandar Uttar Pradesh is going to invite offline applications for Asha 96 posts in Office of the Chief Medical Officer Bandar applicants who possess all the educational qualification and necessary qualifications, and the eligibility criteria may apply for the vacant post. CMO, that is the Chief Medical Officer Bandar Recruitment 2021. For this, the Chief Medical Officer Bandar invited applications from eligible persons for the recruitment of 96 posts of Asha Worker. Interested and eligible person can apply for the post online by visiting the official website of the Chief Medical Officer Bandar. Persons must note that the last date for the application is 9th July 2021. Chief Medical Officer Bandar Uttar Pradesh is going to invite offline applications for Asha at 96 posts in Office of the Chief Medical Officer Bandar applicants who possess all the necessary educational qualifications, and as I told you, the eligibility criteria may apply for this vacant post. Now I will give you the job summary. The notification is released by Chief Medical Officer Bandar Recruitment Board 2021. You can apply for 96 Asha Worker posts before 9th July. The last date of submission is 9th July 2021. For the city Bandar, state Uttar Pradesh, country definitely India, organization is other organization, educational qualification is other qualifications. The functional area will be other functional areas. Now coming to the eligibility of the candidates. Eligible candidates may apply to these posts by submitting their applications to the given application address. Last date for submitting application, as I told you, is 9th July 2021. Selection of the eligible applicants to these posts will be made through offline. Now I'll give you the important dates. The last date for submission of offline application is, as I told you, 9th July 2021. Chief Medical Officer CMO Bandar Asha Worker details. You have to give the name of the post, and all other details. The number of posts is 96. Now coming to the eligibility, you are required to be 8th class, ANM and CHO. Candidates are requested to check other educational qualifications also in the official website, which is https://banda.nic.in.health. Now coming to how to apply. Interested and eligible person can apply for the post online by visiting the official website of the Chief Medical Officer Bandar. Persons must note, as I told you, the last date for the application is 9th July 2021. Candidates can apply online application using the website https://banda.nic.in or health. Submitting the online application. Application steps to apply online for chief anesthetist, physician, doctor, ward boy, ayah, sweeper and other for Bandar recruitment. Apply to online applicants should have valid email and scanned copies of photo and signature. Candidates should go to the official website link https://banda.nic.in or health, log in to the current opening and select the desired vacancy. Read the information carefully and click on online application. Apply online, click on click here for the new registration if you are a new user. Complete the entire online registration and click on submit button. After online registration, log in with the registered number and the password. Fill in all the details in the application and upload the desired photo and signature. Take a printout of the online application for further use. Actually, this printout will help you out for further application processes. So if you are really hoping to get into this sector, then definitely this is a desirable job. So I hope without wasting any time, you will go opt for the notification, go to the official website, check out the advertisement that is out, and you will be able to understand the procedures and you will be able to apply for it. So without wasting time, go hurry up and grab your dream opportunity to work in this sector and see yourself in a dream career. So I wish you all the best for your career and shine with glowing colors. And I am sure you have found out some value and benefit from watching this video. There will be other notifications for other jobs as well, but this is a very nice opportunity and you can opt for it. So thank you for watching this video out. Stay home, stay happy and stay safe. Thank you.